LibreView allows patients to create, store, and share easy-to-read standardized reports with your healthcare professionals. In this video, you will learn how to sign up for a LibreView account, accept an invitation from a healthcare professional, download and install drivers, upload data from a device, and connect to your healthcare professional's practice. Signing up for your LibreView account is easy. Visit www.libreview.com and click Sign Up. Select the option for LibreView account, then click Continue. Next, you will need to select your country of residence and accept the Terms of Use and Privacy Notice for LibreView. You will then need to opt in or decline the research page. Then you'll fill out your account information, including your name, date of birth, login email, and password. Then click Next. Once you've entered this information, you'll be asked to verify your email address. This verification step ensures that your email address belongs to you and you can receive important LibreView emails, including password resets. Locate the email from LibreView in your email inbox and click on the Verify Email button. If you do not see this email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folders. Once you see the screen saying you have successfully verified your email, go back to the LibreView Sign Up tab and select Next. You will then be prompted to set up two-factor authentication using an SMS-enabled phone or with your email address. Select your preferred option. Then click the Send Code button to receive your verification code. Enter your code and click the Verify and Login button. You will see a screen confirming that your patient account has been successfully created. If you have closed the original window in your browser, go to www.libreview.com and log into your account. If you have already created an account using a Freestyle Libre app, you can skip LibreView account creation and use your app login credentials to log into your LibreView account. Once your LibreView account is set up, if your healthcare professional has sent you an invite to connect to their LibreView practice, all you need to do is follow the steps in the email to set up your connection, which will enable you to share your data with them. LibreView device drivers are required to be installed on each computer that will be used to upload data from compatible devices, such as a reader, into LibreView. Click on the Download the LibreView device drivers software link found on the left side of the upload screen. A window will appear prompting you to click on the Download button for either a Windows or Mac operating system. This will start downloading the driver file to your computer. Once the file has downloaded, click on the file to start the installation. Allow the program to run and follow the prompts on the screen to finish. Click Finish. Once the LibreView device drivers are successfully installed, connect to compatible device using the corresponding device cable and click Press to begin upload from the upload screen. It may take a few moments to have the system recognize the new drivers the first time you do an upload. When you see your glucose history report, you will know your upload was successful. If you want to connect your account to your healthcare professional's LibreView practice so they may have ongoing access to your glucose data, click on Account Settings and go to the My Practices section. Enter the practice ID provided by your healthcare professional to connect. Click Add. Once connected, you should now see your healthcare practice or clinic name appear in your linked practices list. You can link your account to multiple practices, and you can also stop sharing with a practice at any time by clicking the red Remove button. LibreView provides a convenient, clear, and easy way to view and share your glucose data to help aid better conversations with your healthcare professionals.